with OCTA, and this is your Transportation in 2. As part of the West County Connectors project, linking carpool lanes between the 22, 405, and 605 freeways, the project team reached a major milestone of completing the brand new southbound 405 connector to the eastbound 22 freeway. We have an awesome opportunity right now to stand between the brand new connector and the old one, which we will soon demolish, and will require a 20-hour closure of the 405 freeway. From 9 p.m. Saturday, August 17th to 5 p.m. Sunday, August 18th, crews will close the northbound 405 freeway at Valley View Street and the southbound 405 freeway between the 605 junction and the eastbound 22 connector. If you're heading north on the 405 during the weekend of the bridge demolition, please follow the orange routes. If you're heading south on the 405 during the weekend of the bridge demolition, please follow the green routes. If you're traveling in and around Orange County to Long Beach, Los Angeles, or even to San Diego, please use alternate freeways. And for more information, visit octa.net/bridgebash.